she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is in collaboration with Lanbina. So the first one I showed you was their bamboo charcoal blackhead matte, and the second one in the white packaging is their 2% BHA nose pore strip mask, which basically means that it helps to kind of like deep clean or like peel, not really peel because peel sounds really harsh, but it basically helps to deep clean the surface of the skin. So each of the masks come with their own set of nose strips, and they're in a 60 count, and they also sent over a little brush to apply the mask. So first I'm gonna go ahead and clean my skin.
Beat it up like
I know.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Some days are easy and I find it hard to think we do it. I know it takes a hard to break it, but you took that and some more.
So this is a before, after I clean my skin. This is like a before I do the nose strip, so you can kind of see how congested my nose area is.
yeah, let's work it.
I needed you.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. It smelled really good. It kind of smelled like a spa. So I'm gonna use the brush and I'm gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna put the nose strip papers on top, and I'm gonna let that sit for probably like, it says 8 minutes, but I believe I probably sat for like 10 to 15.
Hold on, just like that.
Oh, you lead me to paradise.
So I did the blackhead, the bamboo charcoal mask. I will come back here on a different day and do the 2% BHA mask. I just didn't want to do both in the same day because I felt like it would kind of be pointless to show you guys good, like a good review, and I didn't want to do too much to my skin.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see.
So of course, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. This was super satisfying, and I love the way this pore strip mask worked because it really did clear out my pores. This product is gentle and it's good for all skin types. This is really good if you are a person who likes to wear makeup, because it's going to create a nice smooth surface and help to minimize your pores, and because it's cleaning out your pores, it's going to really help your makeup to lay really smooth on your skin.
And I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up, then I take it down.
if you guys are interested in this product, the link will be in my description box below. This is my pores after I did the nose pore strips, and then I did go ahead and apply my skincare off camera, and it's very much so giving glass skin, which I am here for. But yeah, let's get into today's video.
You and Gutter are insane.
Yeah, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
So this is a continuation of my cleaning from the previous day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick little like cleanup, because sometimes you just have to like split the cleaning into a couple days, maybe 3 days if you really need to. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and basically vacuum and mop my floors all in one with my Tentacle 5 series vacuum mop. And yeah.
Honorary.
Please don't ask again, who's up in the van? They my only fans. I was in my hovercraft, had another laugh. How you roll with them when you know I'm SJ. Got it on remote control. Got it on remote control. Got it on remote control. Like a CEO, I thought you should know. On my Instagram, it get out of hand. Why you so mad? I was feeling like the man. Just grab my hand. Got a bigger plan. He got this on don't remote control.
So I would like to thank Laundry Detergent for collaborating with me on this portion of today's video. This detergent was designed for sweaty workout clothes and team uniforms, which I also believe that work clothes, like everyday work uniforms, fall into this category as well. So it's designed to preserve elasticity, brighten colors, eliminates odors, and reduces fading. They also have another formula that is basically a free and clear, and it does not have a scent. So if you are one that does not like strong scents, they do have an option for you as well. So I am going to complete this laundry and call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just to by my side.